Hello students, hope you are all fine. So in this video we will discuss about the colloidal states of matter and classification of colloids. Firstly, Sir Thomas Graham in 1861 divided the soluble particles into two classes. थॉमस ग्राम ने सॉल्यूबल पार्टिकल जो इजीली सॉल्यूबल डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं उनको दो क्लासेस में डिवाइड करा था. नंबर 1 इज क्रिस्टलाइड्स एंड नंबर 2 कोलाइड्स. Crystallites, as the name suggests, crystallites are crystalline in nature. Like common salt, sugar, they are present in the crystalline form, and they easily dissolve. They can easily dissolve and easily pass through the vegetable membrane or animal membrane. But colloids are non-crystalline in nature, like gum, gelatin, glue, starch. These all are colloids which are non-crystalline in nature, and they have a very little tendency to pass through the animal or vegetable membrane. Clear? So colloids, as you know, colloids form bigger particles. Colloids are the particles of very bigger size and which cannot easily pass through the membrane. So it is therefore preferable to speak of a substance in the colloidal state rather than calling it in a crystalloid or colloids. So now we will discuss about now I will tell you what is colloidal state of matter. So colloidal states of matter, colloidal state होती क्या बेटा? colloidal state क्या? colloidal state वो state है जिसमें पार्टिकल का साइज जो 1 नैनोमीटर से 1000 नैनोमीटर डायामीटर होना चाहिए. पार्टिकल का एक पार्टिकल का जो डायामीटर है इट विल बी 1 नैनोमीटर टू 1000 नैनोमीटर. देखो, इट इज़ अ बिगर साइज पार्टिकल, दैट इज वाई इट कैनॉट पास थ्रू द एनिमल मेम्ब्रेन और वेजिटेबल मेम्ब्रेन. देयरफॉर इट कैन इजीली पास थ्रू द ऑर्डिनरी फिल्टर पेपर. सो इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू when we will discuss the difference between true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. So see, true solution में क्या होता है? ट्रू सोल्यूशन में जो पार्टिकल का साइज होता है इट विल बी वेरी लेस देन वेरी स्मॉल. इट विल बी लेस देन 1 नैनोमीटर. सो बहुत स्मॉल है. सो ये इजीली इतना स्मॉल होने के कारण ये ऑर्डिनरी फिल्टर पेपर से भी पास कर जाता है और एनिमल मेम्ब्रेन से भी पास कर जाता है. बट कोलाइडल सोल्यूशन में जो पार्टिकल का साइज है इट शुड बी 1 नैनोमीटर टू 1000 नैनोमीटर. और जो सस्पेंशन में तो बहुत बड़े बड़े बिगेस्ट पार्टिकल, इवन बिगर देन द कोलाइडल पार्टिकल्स. और इनका जो साइज पार्टिकल डायामीटर इट विल बी मोर देन 1000 नैनोमीटर. इनके साइज पार्टिकल का साइज बहुत कम होने की वजह से दे कैन पास थ्रू ऑर्डिनरी फिल्टर पेपर एज वेल एज एनिमल मेम्ब्रेन. इनका बिगर साइज होने के कारण दे कैन पास थ्रू ऑर्डिनरी फिल्टर पेपर बट नॉट थ्रू एनिमल मेम्ब्रेन. Suspension, they are very biggest in size and that is why they do not pass through ordinary filter paper as well as animal membrane. If we talk about the settling property, when we dissolve the true solution, when we make the true solution, the particle do not settle at the bottom. Similarly, in case of colloidal solution, the particle do not settle. But in case of suspension, the particles settle on standing. For example, if we talk about the mixture of sand in water, if we prepare the mixture of sand in water, it's a type of suspension. Sand will not dissolve in water. You keep on stirring continuously, and when you keep on standing, the sand will settle down at the bottom. So that is why it settle on standing. When you remain undisturbed the beaker, it will the sand particles, the solute particle will settle on standing. As the particles are completely dissolved, the particles are invisible. They cannot be seen through the naked eye. In this case, when the light pass through the colloidal solution, scattering of light by the particle take place. I think so you are very familiar with this phenomena, the scattering of light by the particles. This phenomena is called Tyndall effect. Clear? So Tyndall effect are observed in case of only colloidal solution. In case of suspension, particles, because the particle diameter they are more than 100 nanometer. They are very biggest particle, and these particle can easily visible through the naked eye. These particles, in case of true solution, the particles diffuse quickly. Diffusion, if we talk about the diffusion, the particle will diffuse quickly. In case of colloidal solution, the particle diffuse slowly. In case of suspension like sand in water, the particles तो diffuse ही नहीं करते, जितना मर्जी आप stir करी जाओ, they will not diffuse, they will settle on standing at the bottom. True solution is always clear and transparent. Colloidal solution is translucent, and suspension solution is opaque. Right? I think so. This will be clear to you. Next, we will talk about the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. But if we talk about the true solution, as you know, in case of solution, there are two particles. One is solute and another one is solvent. As you know I think so you know very well, solute is what? Which is present in smaller amount, and solvent is which is present in larger amount. If we talk about the sugar solution, we mix the sugar, like we mix 5 gram, 10 gram, whatever the amount of sugar, 5 gram, 10 gram sugar in 100 ml, like suppose 100 ml water. So 5 gram sugar is taken in small quantity, so sugar will act as a solute, and 100 ml water is taken in a larger amount, so this will be act as a water will be act as a solvent. Similarly, in true solution, there are two terms. For true solution, there are two terms, solute and solvent. But for the colloidal solution, solute and solvent terms are replaced by dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase, similarly, as dispersed phase is similar to the solute. Dispersed phase means the substance distributed in the dispersion medium, means it will be always present in the smaller amount, like solute in case of true solution. So in case of colloidal solution, we use term dispersed phase instead of solute, and we use the term dispersion medium. Medium means the medium in which the substance is dispersed in the form of colloidal particles, and we use dispersion medium instead of using solvent. So solute and solvent terms are replaced by dispersed phase and dispersion medium for the colloidal system. Now we will talk about the classification of colloids. So there are the three ways to classify the colloids. Number one is based on the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase is what? Which is present in smaller amount. Dispersion medium is present in larger amount. So according to this, there are 8 types of colloidal system. Based upon the physical state, there are 8 types of colloidal solution. Physical state means it is a solid, liquid or gas, right? So number one is when your dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is also solid, means solid in solid. So name of the colloidal system is solid sol, means जो कम amount में भी solid है, ज़्यादा में भी solid है. Example, some colored glasses, gems, these are solid in solid, solid sols. ठीक है. So next type is solid liquid. Solid is present in smaller amount, liquid is present in larger amount. Liquid is acting as a dispersion medium, solid is acting as a dispersed phase. So solid in liquid, type of sol, name of colloidal system is called sol. Sol is the most common type of colloidal system in which solid is present as a dispersed phase and liquid is present as a dispersion medium. Solid कम, liquid ज़्यादा. Muddy water, paints, not all paints, some paints. Third, solid gas. Solid is present in smaller amount, gas is present in large. When gas is present in excess amount, so this type of colloidal system is called aerosol. So example is smoke dust. So dust में क्या होते हैं, ज़्यादा तो गैसेज ही होती हैं एयर में, पर उसमें छोटे छोटे डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, दे एक्ट एज अ सॉलिड. फोर्थ इज लिक्विड सॉलिड. लिक्विड स्मॉलर अमाउंट में, सॉलिड ज़्यादा. जेल, चीज़, jellies, butter. So these are the type of liquid in solid. Fifth type is liquid in liquid. Liquid in liquid type is emulsion. Emulsion जैसे water in oil, oil in water, मतलब पानी में ऑयल डाल दो. So this is the, water भी ऑयल है, वाटर भी लिक्विड है, सॉरी, एंड ऑयल भी लिक्विड है. एग्जाम्पल मिल्क, आपको पता है मिल्क में फैट्स भी होते हैं. हेयर क्रीम, वाटर भी होता है मिल्क में, है ना, तो फैट्स भी होते हैं. फैट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन लार्जर अमाउंट. सिक्स टाइप इज लिक्विड गैस. Liquid is present in smaller amount, gas is present in larger amount. So this type is when the gas is present in the excess amount, when the dispersion medium is gas. This type is called aerosol. Example, fog, mist, cloud, right? Next, gas, solid. Gas is present as a dispersed phase and solid is present as a dispersion medium. So this type of colloidal, name of the colloidal system is solid foam. Example is foam rubber. And last type is gas liquid. Gas is present as a dispersed phase and liquid is present in dispersion medium. So name of the colloidal sol is foam. So it will soap, leather, froth, जाग जो होती है, वाइप्ड क्रीम. सो उसमें गैस कम है, लिक्विड ज़्यादा है. So this is about the first way to classify the colloidal system based on the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium.